shorty. It's a shorty. That might be illegal. It's looking like it. If all right, let's get a measurement on this, buddy.
That is sick.
All right.
I've caught 3 shorts, man. Tide's going out, but here comes the water.
Right. All right. All day.
Yep, 24.
24, right? You want it?
Yeah.
All right.
Absolutely. If you don't mind.
Not at all. Yee! 24. All right. All right, this one's at 24.
What's your name, brother?
My name's Eric.
Right on.
All right, there it is. 24. Gonna give it to this lucky gentleman here.
Yeah.
All right. There you go, sir.
Thank you, buddy.
You.